Hello, dear friends. Today is our lecture number 2, and now we will discuss about variables. Variables are used to store data. Think variables like a container that is used to store something in it. Variables are of two types: primitive and non-primitive. Non-primitive variables are also called reference variables. Primitive variables point out to individual value, but non-primitive variables store reference to the address of the variable. In this video we will discuss about primitive variables, and in primitive variables we will first discuss integer variables. There are a lot of variables: float, uh, int, string, and etc. We will discuss first int variable. That we this statement has declared the variable named of integer data type that has name variable. In second, we can initialize it to any value or integer value. To print out this variable, we will write cout variable, and let we first we will save it and then we will compile it. In Visual Studio, Control plus Alt plus N is a shortcut key to compile and run collectively the C++ file. So we has printed 10. You can see it has printed 10 in terminal output. We can do so in one line also. We can write it as this has initialized and declared a variable. First the line that we had first written just declared the variable, and in second line we initialize the variable, but this line declare and initialize variable, and this line has printed variable. This is a way to print variable we have discussed in first video. uh, to store octal, this was just an decimal number. To store octal number, we will need to 0 10. To store octal number, 0 is followed by the number. You can see 0 10. This is an octal number. To store hexadecimal number, you need 0x. 0x followed by a number. Now we print out these both variable that we have initialized. We have just changed the name. Name can be any. We will discuss some naming rules in next video. These are just names. You can write, but you have to follow some rules that are necessary to be followed. Otherwise, it will be cause an error. You can see an error was raised when I just just returned cout without t. So you have to keep in mind this. Next we save and then we will compile it. This is first number that was printed variable to octal number, that is 8. To write it clearly, we will break a new line. Handle is used to break a new line.